Next, a straight line through the origin meets the parallel lines at P and Q. Then the point O divides the line segment PQ in the ratio. So what are the given lines? 4x plus 2y equals to 9, and second line is 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. They have given. So multiply with 2. So 2 into 2, 4x plus 2y, because we have to take the same pattern lines. 2x plus y plus 6 12 equal to 0. Okay. Multiplying with 2. These two are parallel lines because 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 2y. So line L meets the lines at P and Q. Okay. And O is origin is the point on this line. If you observe here, one constant is negative, one constant is positive, means it lies between the lines. Origin lies between the lines only. So whatever we have to find a PQ points. How you find the ratio? OP is to PO is to OQ. Only here you know parallel lines. What is the distance between the parallel lines? Mod C1 minus C2 by
2 to a square plus b
Root
square.
a square plus b square.
So 12 plus 9, 21. Root a square plus b square, 16 plus 4, 20. 21 by root 20. 21 by root 20. So the distance between the parallel lines. PQ length we don't know, slope we don't know. How to get it? You take one parallel line passing through O. AB parallel to QR means PAB triangle, PQR triangle. Both are
Similar.
PAB triangle and PQR triangle. Both are similar. Okay. Similar means PA by PQ. Is it equals to PA is to AQ equals to PB is to Q PBR? So suppose here origin is given, so let it be O. PO. PO is to OQ. Is nothing but PB is to BR. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
These two parallel lines, and this is the line passing through origin, and origin lies inside, because one line if you substitute in this minus 9, and if you substitute in this plus 12, so one positive and negative means it's between the lines. Okay. Suppose if you suppose the point is above or below outside these two lines, means both have same sign. So one is positive, one is negative, means inside the between the two lines. So here somewhere you take it. Now we have to find the ratio PO is to OQ. So I am taking one parallel line passing through origin and parallel to the given lines. So what is our line OB? Passing through origin with the same slope, parallel to PQR we are taking. So minus 4 by 2, minus 2. So 4x plus 2y equals to 0 or 2x plus. Better you take 4x plus 2y equal to 0. PV length, distance between the parallel lines. Mod C1 minus C2, 9 by root 20. And this is the length. What is this length? 4x plus 12y plus 12, 2y plus 12 equal to 0. So length is mod C, mod 12 minus 0, 12. 12 by root 20. So what is the ratio, required ratio? PB, 9 by root 20, 12 by root 20. So 9 is to 12, 3 is to 4. Understand?
So can you repeat what you did after finding line OB?
Here, this distance no need, full distance. See here from the triangle only directly we can. See, this is the line L passing through origin and it intersects the two parallel lines. So we have to find the length. Origin is inside only. How we decide origin is inside means you substitute in this. You are getting negative sign. If you substitute origin in the second line, you will get positive. So one negative, one positive means inside. Because one side this one is the one for this positive. You take any one line, any point.
Yes, sir.
If you consider positive greater than 0, if you are substituting in this line this point, if it is greater than 0, all points greater than 0 values one side, less than 0 points another side. That's why one negative, one positive means between the line. Between the parallel lines only we will get. Now we have to find the ratio PO is to OQ. PO is to OQ means suppose you take one parallel line passing through origin. So you can make here one triangle, right angle triangle only. Okay. See for this, PO is POB triangle, PQR triangle. If you consider both are similar because this angle, this 90, this 90, two angles are similar and this is common. So the triangle is similar triangle because angles are equal. Similar triangle property we know. Ratios are same. PO is to OQ, PB is to PR. Both are in the same ratio. So POQ we have to find. So we find PB is to PR. PB is nothing but the distance between the lines. This is line first line 4x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. And this line we can easily find it by passing through origin and with the same slope you have to take. That is nothing but 4x plus 2y equal to 0.
It's, sir,
Okay.
triangle QR, right?
POB and PQR both are similar.
Yes, so then won't the ratio be PO is to PQ is equal to PB is to PR?
Both are same. PO but take minus 1 by taking reciprocal.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah.
PO is to OQ and PB is to PR also will get the same.
Yes, sir.
I think parallel line divides in the same ratio. Otherwise, you can take PO is to PR, PQ by taking reciprocals and taking minus 1 and something, you will get it same.
Yes, sir. Yes.
PB is to BR means we can find the distance between the parallel lines. So this one and this one and this one and this one. We will get 9 by root 20, 12 by root 20. So ratio is 3 to 4. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Thank
doubt?
you, sir.
Next one. PQR are the 3 points and find the equation of the bisector of the triangle PQR. I think easy one. Bisector of angle PQR. Angle PQR means this is the angular bisector. This equation you have to find. Suppose the point of intersection is some yes. How you find the angular bisector? QS. QS already one point on the line. So at least you have to find the slope of this line QS or any point S. It is possible here. Slope is possible. His angular bisector is perpendicular to the opposite side.
No, sir.
You cannot say that one. But RS is to SP ratio, RS is to SP. Angular bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of adjacent sides. QR is to QP. Correct?
Yes, sir.
RS is to SP means RQ is to QP. What is the length QR? 9 plus 27, 36, 6. QP 1, 6 is to 1. So ratio is 6 is to 1. So what are the coordinates of S? 6 into minus 1 minus 6 plus 1 into 3 by 6 plus 1 7. 6 into 0 0 minus 1 into 3 root 3 by 6 plus 1 7. Minus 3 by 7. 3 root 3 by 7. This is S point. So to find the internal angular bisector Q point origin. So slope point 2 point form y minus y1 equals to 3 root 3 by 7 by minus 3 by 7 into x minus 0. So root 3x plus y equals to 0. So this is the angular bisector. If the vertices are given, you can find the angle bisector by like this. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Here we cannot find the slope, but we can find the vertex. Angular bisector meets the other opposite side and the ratio of adjacent sides. So next you can find using 2-point form, you can find the equation. Next 10th one.
So can you show the previous page? Thank you, sir.
Next sin theta cos alpha minus theta sin alpha minus theta. Suppose you take one point P from origin. Suppose if it makes an angle P with the distance 1. Suppose the OP distance is 1. Then what are the coordinates of P? What is cos theta value? X. Sin theta value? So the coordinates are cos theta comma sin theta. What is the distance from origin to cos theta sin theta?
1.
1. So it is a cos theta sin theta is a point which is at a distance from origin, which is at 1 unit distance from origin and making an angle theta. Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we come to this one, first one. Here first one is given OP. Cos theta, sin theta. Next, the second one is cos alpha minus theta, sin alpha minus theta. So this angle is theta. What about other? Alpha minus theta. Alpha value lies between 0 to 90. How you find theta and alpha minus theta, which is more? Suppose we take this side Q first. Suppose this is alpha minus theta, because the vertex is cos alpha minus theta, sin alpha minus theta. Suppose it is down case we will consider first. So like this you will get. So this inclination is alpha minus theta, correct? Theta sin theta means inclination theta. Alpha minus theta, so this is alpha minus theta. How you get
Yes,
it?
sir.
Then theta is obtained from P. Not theta, I think it is Q. Then Q is obtained from B by. What is the remaining angle? Suppose if it is above, how you get it? Two cases you have to consider. Okay, we will see this one first. What is the remaining total angle? Alpha minus theta, this is theta. So total minus theta minus alpha minus theta, 2 theta minus alpha. Total angle 2 theta minus alpha difference. And if you bisect it, because of the option, if you see it is a reflection you have to take. So this is the reflection line here for from P to Q, exactly half. So 2 theta minus alpha means this is theta minus alpha by 2. This is theta minus alpha by 2. So what is the inclination of this line? Whole angle. This angle is theta minus alpha by 2. And this angle is alpha minus theta. Theta, theta will cancel. Alpha minus alpha by 2 is alpha by 2. So this inclination is alpha by 2. So I will got the answer. So P is a point of Q is obtained from P by reflection of the line making an inclination alpha by 2, means with slope tan alpha by 2. I think
Sir, I'm not understanding the angles.
fourth option.
So it's so confusing. Can you tell again?
Okay, listen. This is point P. Okay. What is this angle?
Theta.
Because cos theta sin theta. Next, Q. What is the inclination?
R minus theta.
Alpha minus theta. Okay. Now Q is obtained from P by reflection. So reflection means you have to bisect the angle between the two. So this is the bisector. Okay. This is the bisector. Then you will get the exactly reflection of this line. And you will get the Q. Agree with me?
Okay.
If you take the exactly, if you bisect the angle, then this angle and this angle are same. So if you rotate this much angle, you will get from Q. Okay. So this OQ line is a reflection of OP about this line, angular bisector. So with this slope we have to find inclination. Okay. This line slope you have to find. With this line if slope if you find, with that slope reflection if you get by reflect that much slope you get OP from OQ or OQ from OP. Okay, understand?
So how do you find the slope?
No, that's only we find now. See here, this is alpha minus theta. Total angle is alpha theta. So what is the difference? What is the angle POQ? Suppose you consider this one. POX is theta. QOX is alpha minus theta. What is POQ? What is the angle POQ?
2 theta minus alpha.
Theta minus alpha minus theta. That is 2 theta minus alpha. So the total angle is 2 theta minus alpha. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now bisect this. Theta minus alpha by 2. This is also theta minus alpha by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the slope of this line? Slope means from this to this angle. You have to find out. Now what is this angle? See, this is alpha minus theta plus this is theta
Theta
minus
minus
alpha.
alpha by 2.
So this is nothing but alpha by 2. So about this line, both reflects about this line with slope tan alpha by 2, inclination alpha by 2. So reflection in the line to origin with slope tan alpha by 2. Fourth option is correct. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Simple geometry. It's the area of the parallelogram. Y equals to mx, y equals to mx plus 1. These two are parallel. Y equals to nx, y equals to nx plus 1. These two are parallel. Have you find the area of the parallelogram? What is the distance between these two parallel lines? Mod of c1 minus c2, 1 minus 0, 1 by root a square plus b square, m square plus 1. And this is 1 by root n square plus 1. Let it be p1, let it be p2. What is and sine if the angle is theta between the parallel lines? What is the area of the parallelogram formula? Anyone? Area of the parallelogram formula.
Mod of x1 minus x3 and x1 x2 minus x4.
Lines are given.
But
You can use by using this formula P1 P2 by sin theta. Theta is the inclination between two non-parallel lines. This is one formula. Otherwise, lines if you take like this, you can use this formula also. A1 x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. A2x plus b2 a1x plus b1y plus b1 equal to 0. These two parallel. Next a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Same a2x plus b2y plus b2 equal to 0. These two parallel, correct? a1x plus
Yes, sir.
b1y, a1x plus b1y both are same, but constants different. Similarly here, so two sets of parallel lines means it is a parallelogram. Area of this parallelogram is nothing but modulus of c1 minus d1 into c2 minus d2 by modulus a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Directly you can use this formula because the same formula you will get sin theta formula We have written or not in straight lines. Tan theta, cos theta, sin theta, I think we have written between the two general equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. We have written this formula, p1 p2 by sin theta, area of the parallelogram.
No, sir.
p1 p2 are the distance between the parallel lines, and the sin theta is the angle made by between non-parallel lines. Otherwise, use this formula. Here, what we get directly by using this formula: c1 minus d1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, a1 b2. See, you have to take any two parallel lines. Y equals to mx, y equals to mx. So means mx minus y equal to 0, mx minus y equal to 0. a1 b2 means minus m. a2 b1 means plus m. So nothing but 1 by mod m minus m. Answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula. Remember it.
Yes, sir.
This is also
Okay,
formula
sir.
p1 p2 by sin theta if you know the angle.
Yes,
You
sir.
get any? I think last year you may get this formula p1 p2 by sin theta geometry.
No, sir.
No, sir, we didn't.
By using this formula only, we will get this one.
Okay, sir.
Next, the number of integer values of m where is the exponent of the point of intersection. 3x plus 4y equals to 9, y equals to mx plus 1. Only exponent, so directly solve for x. Y is mx plus 1 equals to 9. 3x plus 4mx, so 3 plus 4m into x equals to 9 minus 4, 5. So x equals to 5 by 3 plus 4m. So this is the exponent of the point of intersection. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
We solve for this. Now, for what values of m it is an integer. For what, in which cases it is integer? 5 by 3 plus 4m. Which cases? First, 3 plus 4m equals to 1. What do you get?
5. X is equal to 5.
X equal to 5 integer. Next, minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Next, the possibility 3 plus 4m plus or minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Any other possibilities other than these two? 4.
Uh,
Only 4. In these cases only there is
yes, sir.
x coordinate is integer. Remaining cases you won't get it. And for this, in these cases, m should be integer. See, what is the number of integral values of m? M also integer. Each cases, so we have to call. Take plus case 3 plus 4m equals to 1. 4m equals to minus 2. M equals to minus 1 by 2. This is not the case. Second, 3 plus 4m equals to minus 1. 4m equals to minus 4m value minus 1. That's that. 3 plus 4m equals to 5. 4m equals to 1. M equals to 1 by 4. This is not the case. 3 plus 4m equals to minus 5. 4m equals to minus 8. Value minus 1 integer. So how many cases?
2.
So in these two cases, the exponent of the point of intersection is an integer. M value minus 1, M value minus 2. That is clarified. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand everyone?
Sir, in the third case, isn't it 1 by 2? Because 5 minus 3 is 2 right there, sir.
It is -5, -5, -3, -8.
The
Pata?
No,
third
sir, in the
case.
third case.
Huh? Okay, whatever. It is not possible.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Next, what is easy? Correct? You have to find the line passing through 1, -1 and parallel to PS. PS is median. Median means you can take the midpoint and you can find the easily slope. So point slope form easily you can do it. Understand? Line equation passing through 1, -1 and parallel to PS. What is PS? Median. Median means you can take the midpoint of QR. That is S. So PS slope you can find it. Same slope and line point slope form. Okay. Next 15. 15 is a pair of straight line problem. We'll leave it later we will do. Next 16. X1, X2, X3 as well as Y1, Y2, Y3 are in GP with the same common ratio. Then the points are anyone? I think we did this problem.
Sir, is the collinearity one?
Linear, I think we did this already. With by finding slopes, you will easily will get it. X1 A AR square, B BR square. If you take slopes, you will get the same. So points are collinear. It is easy problem. Okay. Next 17th. Diagonals of a parallelogram are given. Then PQRS must be A. Anyone? What about the slope of the first line? 17th also easy. What is the slope of the first line? X plus 3y equals to 4. What is the slope?
-1/3.
-1 by 3. Similarly, 6x minus 2y equals to 7. What is the slope? 3. What is the product of the slopes? -1.
This one.
-1 means the diagonals are perpendicular. So which option you have to do? Square or rhombus?
Square.
Square, wrong. How can you say that it is a square without knowing the size? You can say it is a rhombus because every square is rhombus. Suppose here the diagonals are perpendicular, suppose sides are equal, then it is a square. Square is also nothing but rhombus, right?
So diagonals are perpendicular for square or rhombus?
Square and rhombus, both diagonals are perpendicular.
Okay, sir.
Diagonals are perpendicular in both the square and rectangle, rhombus. But without knowing the sides, we cannot say it is a square, so you have to give only answer rhombus. Because even if it is a square, we are saying rhombus since there is also rhombus are included. So we have to give the answer only rhombus. Okay? If you say it
Okay,
is
sir.
Okay, sir.
rhombus means square is also a rhombus. So square case also you are giving. So rhombus only you have to tell. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
The number of values of the straight line touches. It is also pair of conic section. X square by plus 4y is the ellipse equation. It is not in this conic section. Next, PQRS are the vertices of a PQ of a parallelogram. Just you equate the fourth vertex of a parallelogram, directly we'll get A value, B value. Okay. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Next 20. The vertices PQ
Sir,
are.
do you have the recording of the previous remedial class?
Yes, I have recorded.
Yes, sir. Can you send it to me? I wasn't able to join the previous class.
Last week,
Yes, sir. Last week. The mains problem you solved, no, sir.
I think I sent in WhatsApp. Okay, I will see. Why
No,
will-
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, what about 20? The vertices of a PQ are of a rational points. Which are the following points of the triangle PQ are always rational points? See, centroid. If x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 are the rationals. Rational means P by Q form. There's some centroid. What is the centroid formula?
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus
1
y2.
plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So it is a rational. Same P by Q form.
Yes, sir.
Circumcenter, then you have to solve two lines. So lines will also